Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial how to send contact on Discord for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you guys, how are you? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the started. First of all, you must do you can go to the Discord application that you have been to install before as usual. You can click on the Discord. And after that, for the next step, there is a have a three option in the below here. You can click on for the right side of the right corner, Okay, for the next steps too, you can click the privacy and safety. Okay, how to send contact on Discord for Android. Slide away until you find about the send contact here. Find your friends here, you can click send contact, tap on for the gray one here until has the purple like in the upper, tap on and you can click the get started. Okay, allow Discord to access your contact, click on allow and enter your name. Your name is used to friend requests and suggestion to people of have in your contact book. Okay, click on the next. Okay, add friend if you want to do it, but you don't, you can click skip in the upper of the right corner. And now your contact is sent by your Discord account. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to send contact on Discord for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.